Good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are, and welcome to the 24 Hours in Crypto YouTube channel. We are going to cover some bullish news today that we all woke up to or going to sleep heard that Tesla has bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. And I just want to cover some points on this and how this is good and how this is a bad for the retail investors. So we're just going to start off with the crypto markets right now. Bitcoin is currently pumping. It's still hovering around 44,000. We got Ethereum consolidating. We got Cardano still pumping, but it's been consolidating for the couple of past hours. Everything is relatively still looking bullish in the market. As this Bitcoin price has jumped, we will see a little bit of Bitcoin go into the altcoins in the near future, which I would say within a couple of business days. And so overall the markets are looking bullish, and let's get straight into the topic of why I believe Tesla is a great company that's, it's got a great bullish outlook for the crypto industry, but I want to point some factors out here. So here we have a article from Bloomberg saying Tesla trails only MicroStrategy in Bitcoin allocations. However, when the mass adoption starts, as you could see this chart, you got MicroStrategy, Tesla, Galaxy Digital, Marathon, Pan, Square. These are such minuscule, they're big companies, but you're going to see Apple, you're going to see Microsoft, it's going to be massive here, right? And 4 billion, 10 billion, these are going to be small numbers when Bitcoin hits the market cap of trillions of dollars and the whole crypto market itself. So I just want to say this market right now is very small. And if we just look at the market cap, I always tell this to people to always look at the market cap. It's only $1.3 trillion. That is absolutely nothing. Picture where the crypto market's going to be when it's at $20 trillion. So if you're at home sitting and asking yourself, should you invest in crypto? The first fundamental reason what you should be looking into, it's very basic, so it's for a beginner, is the market cap, right? 1.3 trillion. The way I look at that market cap is I see it as 20 trillion, 30 trillion, 40 trillion. Like, it's got plenty of room to grow. And this chart right here, it's only going to get added more. There's going to be multiple companies that are going to add it to this graph, and it's going to be absolutely absurd. And here we got Tesla announcing, the big purchase by Bitcoin. However, I want to tell you guys one thing. I saw one thing that really got on my nerves this morning, because the fact that the company said it would start accepting Bitcoin as a payment method for its products. I don't like that at all, because you know why? It's only going to make Tesla richer, and the investors, like, they're not going to hold that value. And I'll tell you the reason why. Let's say you buy a Tesla for $50,000 right now with Bitcoin. But realistically, you're going to be driving around a $500,000 car within 5 years. Do you want to do that? Every individual, I can't tell you what to do with your Bitcoins, but the thing is, the fact that they want people to buy with Bitcoin says that they want to accumulate. They know how scarce this asset is, so they're going to sell their products in Bitcoin so they could accumulate more Bitcoin. So I would avoid buying anything with Bitcoin, because whatever you buy today, it's going to be worth 10 times 5 years from now. If you buy a $100,000 Lambo right now with a Bitcoin, you're going to be driving around $1 million Lambo, and it could be like a 2006 Lamborghini Gallardo. Those go for like $100,000. So if you get one of those right now for $100,000 to Bitcoins, you're going to be in $1 million Lamborghini in 10 years. So, that's something that's an awful investment that I believe that nobody should be doing. But hey, it's not my Bitcoin. I can't control what people do with it. But stay away from buying anything with cryptocurrencies or Bitcoin, because we are still in the beginning of the early stages. And as you could see, we got an article from CoinDesk covering how Chief Brooks calls Tesla Bitcoin buy a bit scary for the rest of the world. It's because when the retail investors come in, it's going to be hard. The whole world has been shaken up by this news. I have people messaging me and they're like, oh, Tesla got in, like, what do you think about it? And it's obvious, I've been bullish since 2017. So a little background on me is I've been in the sector since November 10th, 2017. So I'm very well educated in the crypto market space. I've been through bear markets, and I've seen absolutely my portfolio get demolished. And as long as you hodl, there's nothing that can hurt you. Just hodl, have diamond hands, and you will be good to go and look for the future ahead of you. All right. So Burke said the U.S. money supply will have risen 40% over the last 12 months once the most recent round of stimulus is done. And man, the stimulus I don't believe is still out yet, and that is going to be an absolute disaster when this starts coming out. We are having a economical shift right now in the world, which people are going to get surprised when it actually happens, because this crypto market is going to go absolutely crazy. All right, guys, and that's going to wrap it up for today. So I just want to make this video on my first video. Please do not spend your Bitcoin on anything, not a Tesla, nothing, because whatever you spend now, just know that $100,000 Tesla that you're going to be driving around in 10 years from now, that's going to be worth $1 million, and you just gave Tesla $1 million for their Tesla because they want to accumulate. They're holding for the long term. They're not, when they buy Bitcoin right now, they are not selling that Bitcoin. It's done. It's in cold storage. It's gone. Forget about it. It's gone. So if you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comments field. I would love to answer them, as this is a new channel and I am going to be growing this. Hopefully you guys find this content interesting. I will be coming back to you every day with a video. It's going to be short, it's going to be quick, it's going to be covering some main points, and I will be doing a video on what you should be, it's not financial advice, but what I recommend you invest in this near future as the bull market is about to start. And just to end off on a good note, guys, please follow my Instagram here. Just started it up not too long ago. It's called 24 Hours Crypto, just like the YouTube channel. Please comment on the most recent if you did come from YouTube, so I know that it's getting some sort of traffic. That being said, have a wonderful day. Good morning if you're watching this in the morning. Good night if you're about to go to bed. And we will be back tomorrow with another episode.